So far we stripped the car down, deep cleaned the interior, restored every piece and brought the cabin back from the dead. But that was just a warm-up. Now it's time for the paint. We're gonna sand it, polish it, and bring this dull finish back to life. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to CarFix Garage. We've been working non-stop on this car and the interior looking brand new. Now it's finally time to fix the body. Before we hit the sanding, there is a little annoying prep work we gotta do. We can't start until we remove all the leftover trim glue on the doors. This gets way simpler once you warm it up a little. Finish it off with a bit of alcohol. Now we can go over the entire body with 2500 grit sandpaper, applying medium pressure. If you're wondering why this car is missing its hood and fender, you probably missed the previous episodes. Those two pieces were in terrible shape, so we removed them to get them painted, and you'll see the full process in the next episode. After sanding with 2500, the body is looking way shinier. Now let's see what it looks like after polishing. We're testing two types of cutting polish on this paint to see which one performs better. This car is getting a two-step polish, cut first, finish later. But to make step 2 even smoother, we're blending a little final polish into our cutting polish. Now let's check out the light reflections on the body. Guess right, this one definitely works better, so we're going with this mix for the entire body. Always test different polishing brands on small sections first, because results can be totally different. Check this out, the paint is already coming alive, but we're not finished. It's final polish time, and I'm mixing a touch of wax for maximum shine. Let's do it. This video was just a quick update for our playlist, but if you really want to learn professional wet sanding and polishing, you need to watch the full tutorial. There are tons of small details and pro tricks that we didn't cover here, so watch this video up here to master wet sanding and polishing. Alright, the paint is shiny again, but this car's body is still full of problems. In the next episodes, we're taking them down one by one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned.